Oh, now she's not talking. Oops, there's Harry.
I don't have the time. I don't have the time.
Oh, Stella wants to go for a walk and she starts talking. What do you want? I'll take you for a walk later. I can be just as fun as Dale, I promise. He's gotta go do something now. Aw, she likes those adventure walks, but I gotta take her on one. I can be fun too. I'll take you for one later. So you guys stay here.
I wrote a little thing. I'm not reading it to you.
Okay, wait a minute. Now you stay, Stella. Yeah, I mean, right now you're gonna take her for a walk. Oh, she talked you into it, huh?
Yeah. Look at that grin.
You can't see the grin. Is he gonna take you for an adventure walk? You gonna go for an adventure walk with Dale? Is that what you want to do? You want to go for an adventure walk? You want to go for... Come on, you got to say one more thing for the camera. Come on. Let's go for an adventure walk.
Are you ready?
I'm waiting.
Are you ready? You ready?
She really looks at Dale.
Just wanna go.
Okay, just want to go.